Omi tutu, ana tutu, tutu ile, tutu laroye, tutu omo, ariku babao. In blessings to all, thank you for watching Shadow of Wolves, Ode Wado. I came to give you a message tonight, and I do apologize. I'm behind the scenes doing different things in Maferefun, Los Muertos, Maferefun, Orisha, Maferefun, all egun and blessing. This is an important message. As I was asked to upload this video regarding rogations, in understanding the purpose of rogation, rogacion de cabeza, is to clean your ori. In better understanding this, those who are not in the path of Orisha faith, to understand something similar to Ori is considered your life path, your soul, your crown chakra. Orisha Ori is very, very powerful, as Orisha Ori guides us for our destiny. So when we're doing a rogation that is called upon through a consulta, through a reading and so forth, many reasons this can happen. The first one could be an accident. Maybe there was a trauma in your life. Maybe you got hurt, God forbid. Or maybe someone died recently in your family and so forth. Or maybe you're under a lot of stress. Rogation cleans the head. Many different types of rogations are made. For example, through Ifa, there's a pot of the rogation. This pot of the rogation is done differently through a fish, which is different. I'm not giving any secrets out. The most common rogation is through the rogation in the essence of Obatala, which we prepared, and this must be consecrated through someone who has Orisha on their head, someone who is crowned in Orisha faith. It could be a male or female, and they will prepare this with the blessing of their crown. For example, mine being a Chosi, I would prepare the rogation and I would let it sit with my guardian angel, and then I would present the person in doing prayers on their head and so forth, and throwing Obi to a Chosi and then to their spirits. This is very, very important. As rogation speaks for itself, it clears our life's path and clears our destiny. It is consecrated and very delicate through the essence of Orisha Ori and Obatala. Now, there are different rogations that are prepared by spiritualists like Sansistas and so forth, with fruit and everything. But do know that Ibo is very important in cleaning your head. So in blessings to all, and follow through with your reading from wherever you got it, and have faith in your guardian angel